Okay, welcome to another Sky Include. Mike here, and some cool people from the Handshake community and HandyCon put together Another.Software, Thomas, Angry Mouse, and has a pleasure to make a video about this. And it's one of those crazy headlines: 634% per year through Sifchain. With Another.Software Validator, which they started. So they have this Another.Software website. You can check it out. And I'm going to go through some points. I've been chatting a lot to Thomas, and there's opportunity actually the next couple of days if you catch this video that maybe get their airdrop, their first airdrop. All right. So a little bit of pictures. I grabbed these from the HandyCon.xyz website we did. They were both speakers there just a couple of months ago, and it seems like they're working together on this validator. A validator is in proof of stake. Instead of mining, you validate, and people delegate tokens to the validators. So they're looking for people to delegate. If you're into Sifchain, a little bit about Sifchain. They're a decentralized exchange, a DEX in the Cosmos ecosystem that does cross-platform omni-chain, Sifchain.finance, and they're doing a very generous staking rewards at currently 202% APR. As of May 7, 2022. Of course, that can go up or go down. And basically, so these two, maybe there's more people in their team, but I know these two are working together, make a new validator, which is already online, and then they'll be doing an airdrop, which I'll talk about in a bit. So they also, it's not just validating, they're also developing a building, right? I think when you're choosing a validator to delegate to as a holder of a token, you want to maybe find one that's actually building stuff, not just collecting commission, because there's those that just kind of collect the money, keep the server on. So they built a SIF compound, and there's a GitHub repo also linked at skyinclude.com/another-software. You can then, you got to use Node.js, but you can download this, and then you'll actually automatically reinvest the staking rewards, so 202% can become 634%. That's how you get it there, so you can use that. They're also building a new UI for Sifchain. Some people, that's the cool thing about decentralized tech. You can build on top of it. So they're building it. They sent me the screenshot, still not yet released, but you can hope to see this soon, and that's another reason to delegate to them, right? They're building, they're creating. And of course, one of my last points is to get their token, their airdrop. They're going to do ASVT, which means Another Software Validator Token is the ticker. Thomas is saying the next few days, so I'm estimating maybe May 10th to the 12th, 2022. So we're going to try to get this video out on there as soon as possible so you can get it. You will get it by, of course, there's other ways you can get it, but you can get it by delegating to their validator in the Sifchain ecosystem. They also have a Mintpaper. You can, of course, go to their website, Another.Software, and download it here. And I already downloaded that for you, so I can go through some highlights. Of course, probably the one is the initial allocation. You can see here. So they're keeping 30% for their team. But basically, you will be an owner of the validator. You'll have rights to the dividends. So they're going to give 30% to the delegators right here, right? So if you delegate to them and then they take that snapshot and then they give you that token, you will get it to your wallet automatically. And then the way it works, talking to Thomas a lot about this the last few days, is if you own 1,000 ASVT and there's 200,000 out, that means you have a 0.5% rights to the dividends, to the payouts, to the validator. So if you read through this, it's a 3-page document. It's not so bad. The idea is you will get however much it earns when they distribute. So they're doing it in an hourly basis of to you. So from that commission that they make as a validator, you will get that paid to you as an ASVT token holder. It's in the Juno Cosmowasm 20 CW20 token. But the cool thing about this ecosystem is this cross-chain. So we will find your wallets and pay out correctly. They also put an example of that in MintScan you can check out. And of course, you can buy or sell ASVT. They'll have a value itself, of course. So you can read more of this. It's I put this screenshot in there. And you can, of course, chat to them. I joined the Telegram group. They have Discords, GitHubs, their website, of course. So I hope I did a good job explaining this. I'm not going to go into how like proof of stake works and Cosmos and Sifchain DEX and things like that. There's so much to learn. But this video is about their validator on the proof of stake blockchain of Sifchain right now, and they do, of course, as many validators plan to go to multiple. So you can be an owner of this token, which will get rights to getting their dividends. You can check out their validator here, and whichever you use, if you use Kepler, you can delegate. You'll see their logo, you'll see their name, and then delegate to them. So it's pretty exciting times, and this is their commission, just under 2%. So that means out of the staking rewards that you received, this validator takes that 2%, but out of that 2%, you as an ASVT holder will get payouts from that. So I hope I did a good job. Again, check out their site, and it's pretty simple. If you're already into this token anyway, and you're validating, why not distribute your decentralizing your delegation? Maybe keep some to your current validator and allocate some to these two and other amazing people building and developing on the ecosystem, which I think is a whole main point of the proof of stake and whole thing of decentralization and blockchain in general. And of course, you can get some free token, and you'll get some extra dividends, and of course, what you're already getting. Anyway, skyinclude.com/another-software for the screenshots and the notes and the links. But of course, you can just go to their own site, Another.Software, or find them in the list of validators. All right. Take care, everybody. Mike here. See you later. Peace.